time to wrap up another school week. Yesterday was the 11th, so today is the 12th. It is February the 12th, and the year is 2021. Let's go ahead and look to see what the date is, the day of the week is today. The days of the week go across the top of your calendar. At the very top is your month that says February, but across the top are all of the days of the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And Sunday is on one end and Saturday is on the other end. And so we call these 2 days the weekend days. Saturday and Sunday are the weekend days. But we are here on the 12th. We're going to go straight up the calendar, and it starts with the letter F, so it makes that nice F sound. Friday. Today's Friday. So let's go ahead and read that sentence. Today is Friday. So we'll jump back to find out what yesterday was. Here we go. Jumping back. Yesterday was Thursday. There's that TH sound, that digraph, TH. Yesterday was Thursday. Now, we're going to jump ahead to find out what tomorrow will be. Tomorrow hasn't happened yet. Tomorrow is in the future. So here we are on Friday. We'll jump ahead to find out what it will be tomorrow. And tomorrow will be one of our weekend days. It will be Saturday. It will be Saturday. All right. Counting our days in school, let's go ahead and add another 1. There's a 1. So we've got to change things up here because now we have 3 ones. So that means we have 110, 100, 110, and 3 ones. So we've been in school for 113 days. So here's 100, 110, 111, 112, 113. Checking out our mystery number, looking at our 10 frames, we see that we have one that's completely full, and then we have one that has some extra ones in it. So let's go ahead and do what we know about place value. So we have a 1 in the tens place, and then we have 6 extra ones. So we have a 6 in the ones place. And that means that when we look at these two 10 frames, they represent the number 16. 16. Domino addition time. All right, on the first side of our domino, we don't even have to count them. We just look right at them and we can subitize. Our brain is so smart, it sees 2 and doesn't even need to count them. Some of you probably don't have to count the second side. You can look at it and you realize that it's the same shape pattern that you see on a die. So that if you've ever played board games where you have to roll it and you roll this number, you roll a 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's a 5. So how many do we have all together? We're adding 2 and 5 together. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So go ahead and read this equation with me. 2 plus 5 equals 7. There's your plus sign, and there's your equals sign. Counting by 2s. Ready? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. And counting by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. All of the numbers that we use when we count by 5s are either in this column, here's all of our numbers that end with 5 in the ones place, or they're in this column with all of the numbers we use when we count by 10s, and they have a 0 in the ones column. Checking out our mystery number here. When we go to count by 10s, first is our 0, then we have 10. Something's missing. 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. What is missing? What would come after 10? 10. Did you say 20? Did you look at the numbers that are in that row? They all start with a 2. they're in the 20s. That is number 20 that's missing. All right, checking it out. Pennies. Pennies are worth 1 cent. They are small and copper colored or brownish colored. Abraham Lincoln is on the front, and on the tail of the penny is the Lincoln Memorial. We talked about nickels yesterday. Nickels are worth 5 cents. They are silver in color, and Thomas Jefferson is on the front, and his home, Monticello, is on the back. Let's talk a little bit about dimes. This is our dime, and what's funny about the dime is it's worth 10 cents, so it's worth more than a nickel, but a nickel is bigger for some reason. So here's our nickel. It's worth 5. Our dime is worth 10 cents, so it's worth more. It's also silver in color. It has Franklin Roosevelt on the front, and on the back you can see an olive branch, an oak branch, and a torch is on the tail, and it says 1 dime. A dime, small and thin, dime is always worth 10. So a dime is worth 10 cents. And there's our quarter, and a quarter is worth 25 cents. All right, I will be with you in just a minute, and we will read a story about Valentine's Day that's coming up this weekend.